Hey guys, finally I'm back. I know it was again a little bit a longer break, but also as you can see around me, this is a new location. So a lot of things have been going on in the last months and I moved now to a new place as well. So sorry about this delay, but I was really looking forward to shoot a new video finally for you. I was planning to do a little bit of like a different review, so it's going to be a review but about two brands. A lot of you ask me about what are the similarities in these models or the niches of the brands and what you can expect really what you order a model online, so how is the quality and so on. So today I would like to talk about two brands that I already collect, and I already have a lot of models from them and I really like both of them. These are Schuco and Solido, so I would like to compare them. Solido offers in the collection current cars as well as vintage racing car icons and a wide range of model cars from French companies, being French. While Schuco more focusing on German brands, being German, working also closely to German car companies like Mercedes and Porsche, for example, to achieve the best quality in details. So let's start the video with two Porsches for today, and I have a really gorgeous 356 Speedster here in my hand from Schuco, and I have another Porsche which is also a really nice livery, Gulf livery on this Porsche 911 race car from Solido. So two Porsches, two different words as well, two different decades in this case, but I thought it would be then a good example to compare these two companies. So I hope you will like this video. Let's start first at the packaging. Schuco always has this distinguished paper box. I find this very elegant, and in a way it's a little bit like a retro touch in it. So I really like that they're having pictures about the car on the side, also on the other side of the box, so you can see they showing all the details of the car on pictures. So here is the front and also what is really inside, but it's completely a covered box. In the case of Solido, they always displaying their cars in a transparent box. So as you can see, it has this transparent plastic part, so you can see the car already in the box. You can see the model, how it looks like. It's not just a picture on the box, you can really take a closer look already. And underneath the car they always having this display, and it shows in the case of this model that is a Porsche 911 RSR. Okay, so when we open the box, because there's also a difference in it, when we opening the Schuco box, then it's also the car, it's really protected inside. So, and then you open the box and you can see the model itself. It's smelling very good. You can still feel, this is my mania, I know, but you can still feel the paint smell. It's very nice, freshly made. And Schuco, it's really famous from its quality, so it's a premium collector's brand. So as you can also see on the car, it's really highly detailed until the last screw. So of course in this case, comparing to Solido, then the price point also a little bit higher because of its really outstanding premium quality. Let's jump to the Solido box, and well, opening it's never easy. It's not that protected, but it also having this double layer inside. So you can see from the back, for example, that you can just pull this out, and then you have the car here displayed the two cars are out of the box, and let's start now with the Solido one. The paint quality, of course, the first thing what you can really observe on a model. So I would say Solido's paint quality is really good. It's a really high quality. It's nicely done. And in this case, I also just love that they're using this very nice Gulf livery on the car. Schuco paint quality, as I mentioned, the model itself, it's premium quality, so it's really like a real paint. In this case, the car has this very nice shimmery blue tone on it, and of course it's very nicely done. When we're opening the doors here, which are also at Solido, they're always openable, and I love this. So they're not resin models, and you can really see inside what's going on in the interior. And in this case, I just love this tiny fire extinguisher which is behind the passenger seat. Well, the interior is not so detailed, but I would say 90% everything is really there. So on the dash you can see all the tiny dials. The steering wheel, it's really not detailed, so you don't have like a Porsche logo or something like that on it. And the inside of the door panels are also just sort of flat. They just showing a little bit how the handles would be there. Unfortunately, the rear is not openable, so we cannot see this Boxster engine inside. And Solido's case, the hood is also not openable, but you can open the doors, so you can see always the interior, which I think is really great. And they also took care about the tiny details around the car body. And you can see these tiny holders which are holding the hood, and they are also displayed in the back, all the logo here, and also the tiny headlights and the rear lights are there. Schuco case, which is always the case, what I love, that you can open the hood and you can also open the rear. So when I'm opening it, you can see this tiny, beautifully detailed engine inside. It's very beautiful. And I'm very curious what is in the front under the hood. So opening it, wow, you can have a spare wheel inside. And also a can. This is for extra benzene or oil, whatever. You can see they even took care about displaying this tiny belt which is holding the spare wheel. So it's really lovely. I really like it. In the case of the interior of the Schuco model here, the steering wheel can move, so it's really cool that you can really turn the steering wheel carefully left and right, which is really nice. Also the tiny Porsche logo is in the middle of the steering wheel. Well, this tiny details are missing from the Solido one. If you are a collector who's looking for a high quality model which is affordable but tuned down when it comes to details, Solido could be the perfect option for you. This particular model costs around 50 euros online. But if you are looking for a premium model with all the extras, you should go for Schuco. This model is cost around 100 euros. So of course you have to pay a little bit more for this premium quality. So guys, I really hope that you like this tiny video about these two brands, and I hope it was helpful. So maybe you could have now an idea, once you would like to order a model online, what kind of direction they're going and what kind of features they have. Well, I'm going to come back hopefully really soon, and please subscribe for my channel and also follow me on Instagram on GirlsLovesCars. Take care.